My new favorite recipe is my creamy tomato butternut squash pasta made from scratch. We absolutely love this new dish. First, you need one whole butternut squash. Luckily, earlier this year in the garden, we grew 20 of them. Cut it into about 1-inch pieces. Boil on medium-high heat until the squash is fork tender. Drain the squash. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, then salt and pepper. Stir and set aside. Add 1 pound of macaroni to boiling water. In this case, we use ziti, but use whatever you have on hand. Add olive oil to a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and about 3/4 of a cup of chopped onions. In this case, we had a few extra peppers as well. Cook for about 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Cook for 1 minute more. Stir the entire time. You don't want to burn it. Pour between 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream or milk, whatever you have. Do the same for tomato sauce, about between 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 cups. We use pizza sauce because that's what we had on hand, but just about any kind of tomato sauce that's seasoned will work well. Slowly add your cream and your pizza sauce or tomato sauce into your pan with the onion garlic mixture. Stir and mix thoroughly. Bring this to a rolling boil, stirring constantly. It could take 3 to 5 minutes. Add seasonings to your taste. I use sea salt as well as salt, seasoned salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and finally some oregano. Watch your noodles on the other burner and drain them when it's time. I do add a little bit of olive oil before I stir them. While the sauce is cooking, you're going to want to shred about 6 ounces of Asiago cheese, as well as some kind of mozzarella or mozzarella blend. Then you're going to add about half that amount to your boiling sauce, and you're going to mix thoroughly. Place your drained noodles back into the pot. Put your sauce in with your noodles and mix well. Don't forget to add your squash from earlier and mix well. Scoop the mixture into a casserole dish, add the remaining cheese and some more oregano. Just for fun, I sprinkle a little bit of bacon on the end that's specifically for me. Not everybody in the family likes the bacon. Bake at 375 for about 25 minutes, and when it's nice and bubbling hot, you can remove it and serve immediately.